So let me break the question down. Hey, Henry, give me 3 ways to be a gentleman. The number one is that always look at your best. My guys, always look at your best. I've preached this over the months. It's not been over a year now. Over the months. All right. Want to be a gentleman? Always look at your best. Let's not see you dress well only occasionally. No. Be at your best. You must not wear your occasional clothes on on average day. Even in your casual wears, you could look good. Comb your hair. Don't be like me. Shave. I don't know what I like in looking like this. Don't be like me. Shave. Look good. All right. Amen. I look a bit muscular like this. Maybe that's why I like my look like this. But you might not have the kind of my beard. Where 2 or 3 are gathering, take care of it. You know, look, look good. Look at your best. All right. Wear good perfume. Amen. Wear good perfume. Wear good cologne. All right. And of course, as much as you can, you want to make sure your clothes are always ironed. Amen. You want to make sure your clothes are always ironed. So you look at your best. That's number one. Number two, don't argue with women. Yeah. Overlook or apologize when you're wrong. All right. This does not necessarily mean your spouse, with women in general, or let me say with people, but specifically don't argue with women. All right. I really find it prophetic when I see some men, raising their voice at people's wife. It means you're not a responsible person. That's a sign of an irresponsible man. All right, gentlemen don't do that, especially when you know that this is somebody's wife. This is not your spouse. Spouse could have arguments sometimes. Amen. Spouse could have arguments sometimes. That's normal in every relationship. There will be misunderstanding. That's normal. But your ability to surpass them is why we are saying the both of you are mature. You understand? Not that any single disagreement, let's break up, let's take a break. That's an high level of immaturity. That's another question or another answer for another day. So don't argue with women, all right? When people, women especially, do what you don't like, all right, overlook them. Even when you want to correct them, respectfully and politely correct them. But people are very proud and arrogant. If they seem to want to prove point to you, just overlook them. Don't say what. Just back out. It doesn't mean you don't have words to say. It means you are responsible and mature enough to know when to quiet, when to shut up. Are you getting sense of what I'm saying now? So don't argue with people in general, but especially with women. All right? The number 3 way to becoming a gentleman is to be respectful in all that you do. All right? Show respect. Amen. You walk into a room or somebody walk into a room and you want to shake hand with the person you are sitting at, stand up and shake hand with them. Don't sit like Odogu and you are, no. Stand up, be a gentleman, shake hand with them. Amen. You're walking into an elevator or maybe a door and you see that somebody is behind you, especially a lady. Be a gentleman. Let them pass first. Open the door for them. It will cost you nothing. These guys are hungry. You have to be some. I was jokingly telling somebody, I say, I'm not a gentleman. Person said, let me tell you the truth. You are a gentleman. Amen. Because there is a way I have grown myself that sometimes I do these things unintentionally. Because why? It has become a nature of me. So sometimes I just do them casually and they could make a lot of meaning to somebody. Because it is rare to see this kind of habit, this kind of attribute out there. You understand? So you have to master it until it becomes a nature. You're driving and then you pick up, especially a lady, come down, open the car for her, open the door for her. She enters, gently close it. Don't just boah. No. Gently close the door. All right? Thank you. That is my answer to your question. God bless you.